Hi friends, in this video, I'm gonna make an addressable LED controller using Arduino. With this controller, we can change the color and the running effect of the RGB LEDs, and we can also change the running speed of the LEDs, number of LEDs we want to control with this controller. So without further ado, let's get started.
If you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get notified about my new videos. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I have a second channel, Canitech, do check it out as well. Subscribe and support it. All the links are in the description.
So these are all the components we're gonna need for this project. Arduino Nano, 16x2 LCD, WS2812 light, 4 push buttons, 2-pin terminal block, and some jumper wires. First connect Arduino, then connect a 2-pin terminal block and connect its one pin to 5V pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect the 16x2 LCD and connect its VCC pin to 5V pin of Arduino, its ground pin to ground, its SDA pin to A4 pin of Arduino, and its SCL pin to A5 pin of Arduino. Now connect a push button and connect its one pin to D2 pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect another push button and connect its one pin to D3 pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect another push button and connect its one pin to D4 pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect another push button and connect its one pin to D5 pin of Arduino and its other pin to ground. Now connect the addressable LED and connect its VCC pin to 5V pin of Arduino, its ground pin to ground, and its data in pin to A0 pin of Arduino. So we have completed all the connections. Now let's upload the code to Arduino. So this is the Arduino code. We need these libraries for this project. If you don't have the libraries, you can download them from the library manager. Just type the name of libraries and install them. Now let's upload the code to Arduino and test the project. To change different parameters, first press the menu button. To see the next parameter, press the menu button again. Now let's change the number of LEDs. Now press the select button. With the up and down button, we can change the number of LEDs. After changing the number of LED, press the select button. Now let's change the color. Now let's change the speed. Now let's change the effects. So that's it for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. For more videos like that, stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.